A Wettest superpower. How we outran the world if you were stripped of your clothes, your tools, and your weapons, and placed in a locked room with a chimpanzee, a wolf, or even a large dog. You would lose. It's a humbling thought. As a species, we are physically unimpressive. We have no claws, our teeth are flat and brittle, our skin is paper thin. And we lack the explosive speed of our predators. In the brutal calculus of the wild, Homo sapiens should have been an easy snack. But we weren't. We took over the planet. And the reason we did isn't just because of our big brains or our opposable thumbs. It's because of something much grosser and much more profound. It's because we leak. Humans are the champions of sweating. It sounds trivial, almost embarrassing, but this biological quirk is actually our greatest superpower. Most mammals regulate heat by panting, which is effective. But it has a major design flaw: they can't pant and run at the same time. A cheetah can accelerate faster than a Ferrari, but it overheats in seconds. It has to stop or it dies. We are different. We traded our fur for a distinct cooling system of millions of sweat glands. We are water-cooled engines. This meant that while we couldn't outrun a gazelle in a sprint, we could do something terrifyingly different. We could hunt it by simply not stopping. Imagine the perspective of the prey. You see a hairless, slow, two-legged creature. You bolt away, leaving it in the dust. You rest in the shade, your heart rate settling. But then, an hour later, you see it again. Just walking, jogging, relentless. You run again, you rest again. But the two-legged thing is always there. This is called persistence hunting. We didn't kill with strength, we killed with endurance. We ran our prey into heat exhaustion until they simply couldn't stand up anymore. But here is where the story gets deeply human. Because to hunt like this, you need more than just sweat glands. You need a brain capable of projecting into the future. You have to run for hours toward a reward you cannot see. You have to track hoofprints and visualize the mind of the animal, predicting where it will go before it gets there. This required a leap in empathy and imagination that no other species had ever achieved. Our physical need to endure shaped our psychological need to hope. This evolutionary echo is still with us. It's why, despite our sedentary modern lives, we get a rush of endorphins, the runner's high, when we push our bodies to the limit. We were built to move. We were engineered to suffer through the short term for a long-term reward. So, the next time you feel overwhelmed or tired, or like you're just not fast enough to keep up with the world, remember, your ancestors didn't survive by being the fastest. They survived by being the ones who refused to stop. You are the descendant of the most relentless endurance machine nature has ever produced. Keep going. You were quite literally born for this.